cool little, it's a nice little frame. Wow. All right, let's keep going, Rapid City. Woo. Man, somebody's poor.
Yeah, it's probably a nice jacket.
Yeah, it looks like a North Face or good old Walmart Ozark Trail or something. Wow. Let's go up to 5'6". So cool. Fucking cactus. Bam.
Got him.
Got him. Caught him in 4K. Caught him lacking. That's a cool ass rock. I like how they just kind of be a little pointy at the top.
Yeah.
This is some shit that fucking, I guess, yeah, this is probably where they shot a lot of Star Trek movies, maybe. Maybe that's why.
Looks like Mars.
Yeah. Maybe some shit that Power Rangers would do some cool explosions and backflips in.
Yeah. It's like, yeah, it's just dirt. It's like clay.
Yeah. That's what I think. It's extremely clay-like structure. Yeah, it just withers. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like almost, it's porous. It's got a lot of, I would assume that's just weathering from water. Rock. Yep. Super sick. They gotta be on landscape, man. I'm losing a lot of frame. Super cool. It's another nice photo frame. Could easily clone those people out. Let's get a little higher. Ah! King of the fucking cliff. Badlands. This sounds pretty cool to me. It's a cool landscape out here. We'll focus on pretty much that 12 o'clock rock. Yeah, looks pretty good right there. Nice. Another cool frame right there. This guy seems like he's posing. I don't even know. Who the fuck is this guy? Just fucking. Just default pose. Okay. He's pointing at something. Jesus Christ, maybe. Coming down. Super cool. Alright, well. Guess we'll keep moving. Just had to rip my ass real quick. Mm-hmm. Very cool. Yeah, looks pretty good.
The fat fold.
Yeah, I'll get you. Yep. He's folded. He folded.
There's a hole over here.
Ooh, yeah, this is a cool. Would you excuse me, Saya? Okay. Yeah, That's cool.
constantly standing in the way.
Dude, check out this.
Cool. Just taking a
I
freaking
should see if I can get to the other side of it. Just stand here.
stand. Yeah. I wonder what the poles are used for.
Probably just to mark the trails.
Yeah.
Extreme.
Fuck yeah.
Try that.
Try it out.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and get to the other side of that hole.
Oh shit, yeah.
You can take a photo.
Yeah. You should be able to.
This is where water goes.
Yep.
Pretty fast.
Phew. Imagine having a log ride here. Woo-wee.
We could put a Costco.
Costco, yeah, and definitely a Dunkin'. I would hope. I would assume. Might as well come take a look to see what it looks like at least. Wow, so cool. Oop.
Yeah, you gotta go back in there though.
I know. I wanted to.
I can get up to it.
Yeah. Cool. All right, let me go back then. A little closer at least. Gotcha. You see. Oh yeah. I see you in there. Wow, these people up here are actually going crazy. Ooh, I got. Nice. Here's a little hole. Super cool. Shit. How did this guy get up here? These rocks look super unstable. Yes, sir. Woo! Okay. Doing this with $5,000 camera crew on the back. No biggie. No biggie. You gotta do it. Yeah. Wow. Super sick.
Crazy 2 days.
Just a little bit of rock in the foreground. Polarizer. There we go. That's pretty cool. We'll do a landscape one because nobody's stopping me. Horizon line's a little. Got a little coup though, right? Alright. Jarvis, scan terrain for the best descend. This actually probably looks a little bit better. Right here. There's so many damn fucking days. I lost skating. Jesus. There he is. Bam! Nice little.
Sleeping spot.
Yeah. I watch enough outdoor boys. I think I could survive negative 30 terrain. Just kidding. Too good. Jarvis, club this shit real quick. Sweet. Boop, boop. This ain't your ordinary recess jungle gym. Ooh.